All right, so this is going to be just an overview of the quality of the Taco Garage spacer slash strut protectors. And with these, you also get a 1-inch lift, which is pretty much what I wanted, I guess you could say. So this is my 24 Tacoma, and I really like the way it rides on the Bilstein shocks. A little lower in the front, but I also don't want to go higher. I don't want to go to like a very tall strut spacer in the front, and then it rides like crap or it loses, the ride comfort it has right now, which is why I ordered these right here. So the install video will come at a later date, but I just wanted to go over how these look. These are a machined aluminum, and one of the reasons for these, you'll see it has this top cap right here versus just the round part that typically goes on to give you a little bit of lift. The reason for this part right here is because there are a few instances where the shock tower has like shot through the factory strut cap, I guess you could say. And it's not like a overwhelming huge problem, but like I said, I wanted a very small lift just to bring it up a little bit. I'm gonna put 33s on the 4Runner or on the Tacoma. So I wanted something very small, but at the same time I could get the protection where if you go off road, you don't have to worry about it. And like I said, it's not a overly huge problem at this point. It's just something that did happen to a few out there, including the guys at Taco Garage. They actually had that problem too. So a couple things I like about it is it's very clean. When it installs, you really can't even see it's there as far as like visually looking at it. But the 1-inch lift does give you a little more clearance to put bigger tires, which these things already have a nice box shape wheel well, so you can run larger tires on them. These are the factory 265s, and we'll probably go to a 285 or a straight 33-inch tire, one or the other. But overall, I just want to go over the quality of them. They look really good, and for $100, you really can't beat it. You're gonna get 1-inch lift, protection for your top hat, and pretty much everything I wanted, like I said. And the quality of it looks really clean. They got their little logo right here, and they ship with Mountain 2s. They feel really durable, and it's a polished look when you get them. So decided to put these on. I just want to do a quick video, go over why I purchased these and then how they look out of the box, which is very nice. And also when I ordered them, they shipped them really quick. I got them in like 4 days, 3 or 4 days or so. So pretty excited to put these on. They won't void any warranty and won't cause any problems. I am going to get alignment after I put them on, but this is probably as high as I'm going to go because that's pretty much all I need. So like I said, 2 for 1. You get a small lift and you get the top hat protection. So pretty cool product. Decided to put it on.